Assalamu alaikum. My warmest greetings to the royal houses of Sultanate of Batangas Incorporated under the supervision of Paramount Sultan HRH Sultan Koyogan Kokoy Binaning Bansao, as it holds its 8th Royal Sultanate Anniversary and Muslim Christian Fellowship Day. In a world where divisions often make headlines, your community stands as a living testament to what can be achieved when we look beyond our differences. Naniniwala ako na ang pagkakaisa ay hindi laging nangangahulugang pagkakapare-pareho. Magkaiba man ang ating mga paniniwala, iisa lang ang ating pangarap para sa ating bansa at mga pamilya. And it is this shared vision that guide us toward a future where everyone, regardless of their background, has a seat at the table. Maraming salamat sa pagkakataon na maging bahagi ng mahalagang okasyong ito. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.